There is a magical, endless flow of energy that we sometimes take for granted. Nature. We are all connected. I show gratitude. Thank you. Thank you. When I am in nature, I feel free, creative, at peace, as if a piece of me is flowing through the grass and the tree. So go outside. You are home. Take your shoes off and breathe. The same energy that flows in your very being flows in the soles of your feet. Life is all around you, surrounding you with infinite properties to live holistically and be free from disease. So remember, take care of our home, and you are never alone when you are connected to the sun, the godly source.